this outflow from that last storm? Is that what we just got, you know? Was that outflow from that last storm now?
You know what?
Going to come undercut this guy.
I wonder. We have to go a little bit further west.
Did that one collapse? You know what? That one was collapsing as it came down here. Right by Sandusky, it's collapsing. It's undercutting. It's going to undercut this guy. For sure.
We have to go back west.
Yeah, just in the south.
Although this one, look how it's reaching. Do you see that? I wonder if it's reaching for that warm air still.
It's going to hit us where the worst of it's going to be.
Maybe. I think we're safe. Take a look-see here.
Well, I don't think there's no major hail in it or anything, but it's the hail is coming right at us, so...
I'm looking all over the maps of these towns.
Right, guys, I'm testing this out to make sure we are up and going.
It's still blowing pretty good here.
Yeah, they adjusted the warning. They crunched it down a little bit, but
New
it's still in here.
This special marine warning has been updated.
I would watch that storm back west of here near Perrysburg.
Yeah, for sure.
New
It's not.
information.
It does
This
look like it
severe
had some
thunderstorm
rotation at the
warning has been
bottom of it.
updated.
The one in Perrysburg.
Yeah.
Huh.
That
What do you think?
are up and going.
I mean, that one's coming this way,
Attention,
so...
new severe thunderstorm
Yeah.
warning has been
It's
issued.
right on the heels of this one. I'm hoping they kind of they merge and it pushes this front one to do something right in front of us. I'd love that.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Interesting. They are definitely affecting each other very interestingly.
Check this out real
Hey,
quick.
guess what? More are forming behind it.
And I'll get
Brother,
to.
Dad, there's all kind of stuff forming back up, like in Michigan and stuff coming
Oh,
this way.
lightning. Right over by that antenna over there.
Oh, wow. Maybe it is trying to reach.
That one's coming this way, so, yeah. Love the birds doing it over there.
Hey, seagulls.
Yeah, seagulls using the... They're going to probably come... They're going to come in here and land to ride out the storm, I wonder. Sound like we're at the ocean.
Love it. Wait, we out in freaking Mount Pleasant. You guys come from Mount Pleasant.
Sound like we're at the ocean. Love it.
Almost seems like the wind kind of died down a little bit.
All right, guys. Let me go ahead and downsize some of this stuff real quick. What we are looking at, let me go ahead and get off of him real quick. We got some severe thunderstorms kicking off in Illinois, mainly northern Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. We already got 5 severe warnings. Looks like 1 in Bloomington, in and around Bloomington and around Valparaiso and Gary, Indiana. And we do have 1 in just north of Bowling Green, the south of Toledo in Waterville. And we got 1 in Ohio, just south of Meadville. So we're going to take a look at that here. We do have a couple of storm chasers we're going to watch real quick. You can see it's getting dark out there.
Doesn't it look like there's a lot of reflection?
This is a tornado, Pagey. I'm going to go ahead and copy this real quick. Hold on 1 second.
Is that off at some point? It's like reflecting these.
I'm going to get 2 radar omegas up here so I can see.
Oh, big lightning.
Storm chasers. Dash 1.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Now there's severe thunderstorm warning for 1-inch hail near Wheatfield.
These birds are very confused out here.
They are.
They're just flying in all kinds
They've
of directions.
had some issues with
Must be windy.
It is.
they've had issues with radar Omega. It wasn't showing the alerts. So right now we get to this radar here, and we take a look at Bloomington. We got Leroy, Bloomington in this, Colfax. Let's go ahead and put this Aerosmith and Saybrook in Illinois. We'll go ahead and put that in play. And moving east. And we do have one in and around, actually two in and around northwestern Indiana, Gary and Couts in Indiana. You can see this. If we go ahead and take a look real quick. Go ahead and put a pause on here. 62 dBz, so we probably got some hail with this one. And 66 dBzs. Looks like quarter size hail, 50 mile an hour winds. We get down here to Couts. You got 50 mile an hour winds and quarter size hail. We get down here to Bloomington area. 60 mile an hour winds and $half size hail. And over here in Ohio, Fremont, we got 60 mile an hour winds and quarter size hail. So we got a new warning in and around Valparaiso, Portage. This just come out, and you'll hear the alarm come up here in a second. So we'll be up to 6 maybe. 50 mile an hour winds, quarter size hail. So these winds are going to be coming out. There we go. We're up to 6 severe warnings. 3 in the northeast of Indiana, 1 in Bloomington. Trying to think where the other one is at. We had 1, 2. Oh, okay. Basically right here in a little section here. So we got several right there, 4 in and around Gary, Portage, Valparaiso. We'll go ahead and put that in play. So there's potential for some tornadoes of very large hail in northern Illinois, Indiana, and in Ohio. And we just got a new one, so this one's moving pretty fast. Let's go ahead and get to this radar. And it's probably continuing, going into Knox and Plymouth, North Judson, La Crosse, Wilders. You got 50 mile an hour winds, quarter size hail. This storm is, see if we get it here.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Moving east at 70 mile an hour wind, or 70 mile an hour. So these are moving pretty quick. That's why you see these warnings coming up pretty fast. And this just started. All these warnings just started coming up within the last 30 or 40 minutes. And you'll see a lot more. Some of these may have some supercells before this cold front comes in. But we are up to 7 severe warnings as of right now. No tornado warnings. Let's go ahead and in Illinois, we do have a couple of storm chasers. Let's go ahead and take a look. This is John McKinney.
It says it's supposed to go.
It almost sounds like
Let's go
he's getting
east a little
hail.
bit.
New information. This severe thunderstorm
Yeah, so
warning has been updated.
he is getting a little bit of hail with this one. John McKinney. But we got 2 storm chasers right there, one on the border right here. Let's see who we got. Ryan Scholl.
So it should be all right.
Some of the dew points were right.
But the ones that we've got over in Ohio, which I think is a great potential, we got Tornado Pagey. Let's go take a look at her. Look at that.
Go east around here a little bit.
Well, it looks like there's a fire off to the left.
That's crazy. It's 52.
I don't know what that is.
Wind threat seems to be ramping up across Indiana.
Does it? Oh, the line. Wow, yeah.
Must be a plant. Let's go ahead and take a look. Whoops, let's get back to her. There we go. This
Wow,
Tornado
it's
Pagey,
it's 52.
she is in the one that's in
I
northern
started
Ohio.
noticing my toes getting cold.
Like we had another alarm go off.
Goodness.
So it looks like we got 2 storm chasers on the border of Indiana, Illinois. We got 2 just to the east of Bloomington. Nothing tornadic just yet. I'm going to go ahead and get that outlook on here for you real quick.
This is interesting.
Back behind him.
New information. This special marine warning has been updated.
We can go in here on 6. Then get out in front.
Attention,
Or
a
go
new
back
special
west
weather
of the
statement has been
toll
issued.
road.
Well, I don't want to get stuck on the toll road.
Yeah. I don't know how many exits there is, if there is any. Go back up to Oak Harbor. Or head that way.
No, it's a tough call. People just stay put.
Yeah, staying put's the best option.
Yeah, we got a couple more special weather statements. This isn't working.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
It's down to 50.
So we're watching this. Like I said, we got 5 tornado chasers or storm chasers in Ohio.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
See if I can get the special weather statements up here.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
That explained it. There we go. There it is. There we go. So we do have a special weather statement, and I believe that will be in Michigan, just to the east of Kalamazoo. Again, we are up to 7 severe thunderstorm warnings, but we do have a special weather statement. I wouldn't be surprised if that will change into a severe thunderstorm. And these are going to move pretty quick. That's Nick Gorman. See who else we got out here. See if we got someone in a storm. Waseca in Illinois. Kentland, you're in a severe thunderstorm warning now. Sheldon, going across the border into Indiana. Waseca, going into Indiana at Kentland, a new severe thunderstorm warning. Let's see who else we got here. Back to the tape. Yeah, control in. Let's see who else we got. This is Storm Trackers. Let's take a watch at that.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
I think the back one's getting undercut now too. It's changed completely.
So we like not stay with these ones? As much? I see.
Well, I mean, I don't know. We don't have any other option, to be honest with you, at this point. There's more forming behind it, so I think we're in the right spots.
Well,
We might just bounce back.
I was gonna say, do we want to have to go back west a little bit to be in where they're
doing their thing. Yeah, let's go up to catch this one, and then maybe we'll do that. I'm cool with that.
Okay.
So while we're taking a look at this, guys, let's go to the Radar
Let me
Omega.
see if I can get a.
My other Radar Omega.
Let's see
And
if
right
they-
here, you can see from Illinois, Springfield,
Up on that cold air.
going all the way up to Chicago. In that
I said
pink
new ones usually
area
come out at 6. So.
is your severe thunderstorm watch, and then over here into Ohio,
Yeah,
you're
there's a
getting
couple
into
hail
a tornado
on the
watch,
interstate. Or no,
possible
that's
2-inch
fine.
hail, and 2.5-inch hail in northern part of Indiana and
Yeah, we
Illinois.
won't get too
Let's
far
go
off
back
in the weeds
to.
with these guys.
Yeah, once they go past
take
us,
a
they go
look.
past us. I don't think we go.
So we
too
are
far
up to
east.
7 severe warnings.
To go back west a little bit to see what else.
I'm
Let's
gonna
go
look
ahead.
at the whole thing again.
Because
Hit
it is
him
6
off to the
o'clock.
side
This
real
stuff
quick
obviously-
while we
it
watch.
showed more form in like 7 to 8.
What in the heck is going
Yeah,
on?
he is
All
in,
the radars south of us are down.
Oh, that's not grand.
All the airports
Northern,
and
Ohio, just
west-
north
what do you call
of
it?
Fremont,
Wilmington,
on the interstate.
Dayton, and
Well, he's not on the
Columbus are all
interstate.
down.
Oh no. Well, we'll stay up here then.
Right?
Near Ohio Turnpike. So this is where he is at. This one has
Right there, actually.
quarter size hail.
What in the heck just ran across the road?
It was something big.
Where at?
Like right up there by these trees.
By the house.
Yeah, it was something past the house. Just past this house by the pine tree on the left up here.
Nothing tornado warned as of yet. We're still up to 7
Sketchy. I don't know what it was.
severe thunderstorm warnings.
Almost look like
Honestly, if you want to pull, maybe you can pull in right here and watch. We are. Although some hail just went past in front of us.
So let's go ahead and get through this. Okay, so we got one here in Bloomington.
It's back when.
Again, this is 1-inch hail, 60-mile-an-hour winds headed towards Gibson and Paxton. You got one in Waseca, hitting Waseca here.
They're
Just
showing the one earlier going over Toledo was going to be big.
right now, and it's going to be headed towards Shelton and Kentland and
We
Goodland.
could catch this thing at all, but
Some of these are
No,
moving
not at
pretty
all, not bad.
fast.
that's actually Route 6 right there.
Okay.
That's US Route 6.
At 70 mile an hour. Some of these are moving, or this one here is actually moving at 55 mile an hour, but we've had some that are moving at 70
I
mile an
still
hour.
say we need to go northwest
as far as how fast moving these storms
to get past that
are.
next storm.
Then we got here up in Chesterton, Valparaiso, LaPorte,
Liberty City, but it's convection
in
itself now too.
Indiana, Knox.
This is all going to go linear really fast already.
And this one up here going into Knox, you
You're
can
looking
see
at that one in
if you
Providence
see the
right
little
now?
plus signs kicking off. That is lightning.
It's like I want to get
This
these
one
guys into a
here
good storm with some
around
decent-
Valparaiso
some hail, but like we have
and
a
Knox
lot of pork
is
coming.
packing some lightning.
And then that
Ground
puts us up
lightning.
on a peninsula.
Drake, Becky said
We
hi.
still
have
have
to come
some
straight
up here
back
in
to here, you know what I
Ohio.
mean?
Let's
Yeah.
go ahead and take a look at that on radar. And this one might have some pretty
There's still a little bit of rotation
60 mile an hour.
over by Lindsay. It's just west of us, but I can't be.
We're going to take a look at some of this on the velocity real quick. I do not see any rotation on that one.
All right, I'm turning. them
I
off.
think you might be right. Blah.
If you're around
I thought maybe this-
North
this
Judson,
two
there
storms
might be a
gonna merge
little
in the back
rotation. You
and
see
do
the reds and the
something
greens right there.
Right.
Oh, what is that guy doing now?
See what we got here in
Unfortunately, that's easy, but
Waseca.
look at this guy. Look at that guy.
I see that.
That one's gonna be the one that does
Not
it.
seeing any rotation there. Do we get to Bloomington? It's really
I mean,
hard
there's
to
more
tell on
stuff
the radar.
still
So here's
connecting
Gibson.
I think right
Back
now.
in like Michigan, so we still have stuff coming our way.
Let's get back to the reflectivity.
They're each getting a little bit lower.
Go down to 7 frames.
I don't know what you suggest there, Papa.
I think you might be right. I think our best bet right now is going to be this Providence storm.
I'm saying.
I don't think we have to go very far though to get to, but if you
I
want
took a
to shoot
look
little bit
earlier,
west-
and it looked like Ohio would be more prime for tornadic weather.
What's that?
She's making fun of me.
I didn't see anything as
Yeah,
far as
I
in
know.
Indiana.
She's making fun of me.
New information. This
The
severe
majority of this
thunderstorm
storm
warning
now
has
is going to
been
be over the
updated.
lake. I think
New
Providence
information.
one's like
This
really
severe
convecting to
thunderstorm
its south.
warning
Is
has
it going to
been
be one
updated.
big cell or is it going to go linear too?
Right now,
I
we
think our
do
best bet is
have
to try to get the one coming
10
now.
storm chasers.
Attention.
This one
A
here
new
is in
severe
Fremont,
thunderstorm
Ohio.
warning has
Which
been
one?
The
The
video
little,
that you're watching.
The little one coming out of Providence?
Yes.
Okay.
I think go to Gibsonburg.
It's like we're up to
Fine
8
with that.
severe warnings.
Let's start that way. We'll be at least
And
being
that
right
is probably,
in line. with
we
it.
see come
Go
up
here and
here on the
left.
screen. I've already
Head toward US
I think
6
I'm
West.
gonna
have
make the turn.
gotten it.
I just didn't want to drive
Or-
it.
Yeah, you're
One of these is popping up earlier than the other one. The one that you see on screen is actually the National Weather Service.
How'd I get you? Oh, because I listened to Mom saying.
At the next stop sign, turn left. At the stop sign, turn left onto US 6 West.
Yeah, I think you're right though. I think over here, the whatever's come off this lake and cooled this down.
There's no
They're
storms
collapsing over here.
Yeah.
We got to get over where there's more
Yeah.
warmth. Yeah, look at your 1047.
God, yeah. Holy crap.
New
Yeah,
information.
we gotta get out of this. They're gonna have to
Severe
reach
thunderstorm
down now into
warning
the
has been
warm air to
updated.
do anything. But that storm that's passing us might do something when it gets a little further east.
Let's take a look at Vince Velati.
About to find out.
Again, you got one severe thunderstorm coming through Holder. It's going to be hitting Aerosmith and Saybrook. This one right here, it's got quarter size hail, 60 mile an hour winds. If we get over here to Gibson City, looks like 3/4 inch hail, and it headed towards Paxton. We get up here to Waseca, 50 mile an hour winds. You got quarter size hail.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
And we got a couple special weather statements up here, probably 50 mile an hour or 45 to 50 mile an hour winds. Let's see what we got here. We got 50 mile an hour winds and a half-inch hail. It's not reached severe quite yet. And up here near
Attention,
Meadville,
a new
we
special
do
weather statement has been
have
issued.
quarter-size hail and 60 mile an hour winds. Look like the one that was up here near Port Clinton has expired in Ohio. So we are down to 6 severe warnings from 8. We do have Connor Croft. Let's listen to him real quick.
So the only way for me to do that is to go through your computer.
So I have to turn on my computer.
And I'm going to take a quick break and I'll be right back. I am
Copy that.
going
Give
to
me a
get me a drink. So let's see if I can find that.
Please be home, Mom.
I hope you guys like this new setup where I've got the severe warning and the tornado warning there below my picture.
Hello, can you go downstairs and turn on my computer?
Also, it's clear skies here in Chester. It's 87 degrees. It feels like it's 86. The wind picked up a little bit, 24 miles an hour, and the humidity is at 41. And right now it is 5:16. I'll be on here for the next couple of hours. That's when peak times are going to be into the evening time.
No, come on. You're not going downstairs. Oh my God. I'm going to knock you downstairs to these dogs. No.
What are you doing?
They're fighting me to get downstairs.
Why do they want to go downstairs?
Anyways, sounds like he's talking to his wife and kids.
I got to start kind
But it is 5:16 and it is March 26th. Hey, buddy, I did see you. I'm sorry, Rich Fulgerson. I did see you.
Your computer is on.
It's on.
I'm just now seeing it. I forgot that I had the chat off to the left.
Like, is it
But we do have some storms kicking off in Illinois. It looks like we do have another severe warning added to Illinois, and to include Rossville, Hooperstown,
New severe thunderstorm warning has been
Gifford,
issued.
Potomac, Rantoul, Thomasboro. All you guys are under a severe thunderstorm warning with quarter-size hail and 60 mile an hour winds. Let's go ahead and put that in play. I believe that is the one that we just got. So you hear a lot of alarms going off. We still have a couple special weather statements in and around Cleveland, Meadville in Pennsylvania, and in and around southern Michigan, north of Coldwater and Jackson, to include Jackson. Looks like you guys, let's go ahead and get to radar. Probably 50 mile an hour winds. Let's take a look. Minor damage, outdoor objects is possible. Looks like a quarter-inch hail right now is what we have on that one. Right now, just quarter-inch size hail. The biggest threat's going to be wind and probably some very large hail
New information. This
for
severe
this
thunderstorm warning
evening
has been
in these
updated.
areas. We'll go ahead and take a look since we do have a little bit of time. We'll take a look at the threat just to give you guys an idea before it gets really going here. So let's go ahead and take a look at that real quick. Severe weather. So today, our categorical outlook right here, you can see the enhanced area. Let me get my draw tool out. I haven't done this in a while. So this is your enhanced area right here. And that is a 3 out of a 5 for severe weather. And if we go ahead and let me go ahead and erase that. And then that yellow part will be your, let's see what we got here. your slight risk, and then your greens, dark greens are marginal risk, and general thunders is the very light green. So where all these storm chasers are at is in the enhanced risk, which is 3 out of 5 on your severe weather. We are up to 7 severe warnings. So that is the thunderstorms. Let's go ahead and take a look at the tornado. And looked like pretty much from Springfield, Bloomington, Decatur, all the way going through Indiana, Fort Wayne, Indianapolis, Columbus, Ohio, Cleveland, Ohio, and getting into Pittsburgh and Franklin, Clarion, and Pennsylvania. You're in that 5% tornado risk, but you're also in that hatched area where if a tornado does happen, it could be an EF2 or better. Conditional intensity level 1 is in that gray area. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Anywhere in this gray circle in the hash mark, you can have up to an EF2 or higher if one develops. As far as your tornado, let's go ahead and take a look at the wind. And again, this is a hash mark right here, guys, in that gray. We do have another severe thunderstorm warning. But you can have 65 knots, which is approximately 75 mile an hour, 74, 75 mile an hour. If you convert it, basically you take the knots times 1.15. But your wind risk is 30% there in the red. The yellow is a 15%, and then your brown is a 5% on your wind risk. So let's go ahead and take a look at the hail. Risk. Now we're taking a look at the risk here. So this again is anywhere in that gray. Let me move this over a little bit. Right here, anywhere in this gray circle, you can have anywhere up to 2-inch hail. And your risk area is 5% on your hail risk. The yellow is a 15, and 30 should be your red. And that is what we are looking at for today, is the hail and the wind. Like I said, up to 75 mile an hour. Go ahead and erase this. Get off this, get back to the radar. Get off the draw tool. So if you guys are watching right now, we are back down to 6. These will be rolling storms coming through. We do have a cold front. It's probably going to be a little bit cooler. And I'm going to go ahead and try to get that on here. You can take a look. Into our temps. And this is going to be for Chester. We're going to take a look at that real quick for tomorrow. So for Chester, let's get back to pivotal weather, and I'm going to have to get that. It is on there. So let's get to our convection allowing triple R, HRRR. That's for Friday. So we're going to today. Let's get our latest run. Let's do 20. So in the morning, go ahead and expect it to get down to 50, 47, 45. Even though it says 43, guys, 45 is going to be your low temperature for tomorrow morning. That would have been your low for today, going from 7 p.m. today to 7 a.m. So it's going to be about 45, at least by 7 a.m. Then it's going to cool down to 42, and that's about as far as I can get. If I can get to the 18Z. So we expect it to actually get down to 42, but your today's low is 45. So it's going to get a little chillier. You're talking almost 30, 40 degrees difference as far as the temperatures are going to go. If we take a look at the global and get a better look at what's going to happen. And St. Louis 43, 44, going into Friday by 10 a.m. And then it's going to warm up to about 54 in St. Louis, 49, 51 around Cape Girardeau. Then it's going to dip back down. And then Saturday, you can see temperatures getting up to 54 in St. Louis, 56, 57 in Cape Girardeau, 56 in Carbondale. And then on Sunday, guys, it's going to get back up. It looks like 68 by 4 p.m. in Carbondale, 70 in Cape Girardeau. And if we get to Chester, looking at it says 69. Let's see if I can get to the Rufus a little bit better. Convection line, let's go to the Rufus. It may go a little bit further out. So for Chester, looking like 74. So look at it to be around 74 Sunday afternoon is your high as of right now. And this is a 12Z run. I don't think there's anything later. Maybe there is. There is 72. Okay, it has changed. So 72, like I said, this changes hour by hour. And you can see just 2 different runs. It went from 74 down to 72. But we're looking at in the 70s, low 70s right now for Sunday. And then see what the high is going to be. Saturday's high 56, and then Friday, let's take a look. Again, Friday, high 56. Friday and Saturday. So Friday and Saturday, you're looking at high of 56 degrees in Chester. So let's go ahead and get back to Radar Omega and see what's going on. Again, we are up to 6 severe thunderstorm warnings. Nothing tornadic quite yet. This is in Rossville, just south of Waseca, but Waseca is under a severe thunderstorm warning, as well as Gibson City, Paxton,
New information.
Rantoul, Fisher, Thomasville. Again, you're looking at some hail. If we get in here, DBZs are right up there around 63. I think I did get a reading, so there is some hail in and around Rossville. Get back over here. Look like where all these guys are at. There is no warnings. So we got one just east of Cleveland, north of Warren, Portland. 60-mile-an-hour winds, quarter-size hail. Let's check this out on velocity. I do see a little bit of a hook.
New information.
There might
The
be a little bit
severe
of rotation
thunderstorm
right there
has
around
been updated.
Klondike. Just a little bit of a rotation around Klondike, near Cortland, Bezetta Township. Just a little bit of a rotation. You see a little bit of a hook. But we'll keep an eye on that one. We are still at 6. It looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm looking at 5, so I'm sure one of those is going to expire. Right. I'm looking for at least one of those. Yes. Yeah, we are down to 5.
This severe thunderstorm warning has
Okay,
been updated.
so guys, basically Radar Omega is a little bit more faster than the National Weather Service feed that I'm getting. So we are down to 5. We got 2 in Illinois, 2 in Indiana, and the 1 in the eastern part of Ohio. But we do have a couple of special weather statements. Let's see what we got here. Wind 50 mile an hour, and again, like I said, 1/4-inch hail in there around Meadville. And it looked like it's about to pass there. Let's go ahead and put that in play. So we are going to watch a couple of these guys. Like I said, I don't know how long I'm going to stay on this. We're going to see if there's any tornadoes that pop up in the next couple of hours. We do have another special weather statement. Most of my family's up in this area, up in Michigan, Ann Arbor. Let's go ahead and take a look. Gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Strong thunderstorms will be near Addison, Cement City around 6:35. Around Clinton Township, Hudson, to include Ann Arbor, Adrian, Britton around 7:05, Ypsilanti and Milan around 7:10, Dundee and Willis around 7:15, and almost an inch-size hail around there. So we got strong thunderstorms will impact Monroe, Wayne, and Lenawee, Washington, all counties through 7:45. Thunderstorms are moving east at 55 mile an hour. Winds in excess of 40 miles per hour and nickel-sized hail.
A new special weather statement
And
has
that's
been
what
issued.
we got in and around Ann Arbor and Adrian. Let's check these guys out down here. Let's get on this radar in Illinois. We do have
flow
events, and this is basically a look at that storm right there. Let's move. I'll be right back. We're down to this, looks like 4 severe warning. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get something to drink. See if I can find that on here.
all outflow.
But I'll be right back, guys.
freezing cold. It's nasty.
The tree is on the female. There's no visible deformity at this time. They're putting a piece of sheet metal over her so the rain isn't coming down on her.
Severe thunderstorm warning just came out.
Your thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45.
It's for quarter-size hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind, standard stuff.
In northwestern Benton counties, at 5:28 p.m. or 6:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Kentland, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Kent, Gridland, Brook, Earl Park, Forstman, Medina, and Ross.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ford County is canceled. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened
On signal, don't die.
and no longer poses an immediate threat to life or property. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for East Central Illinois. This is NOAA Weather Radio KXI 86 Crescent City. Severe weather is occurring.
Attention, a new radar indicated tornado warning has been issued.
All right, we're up to one tornado warning, guys. Let's take a look and see where that is at.
It is pretty.
This will be the first one of the day. And it is in Cleveland, north of Warren. Let's get to the radar real quick. Radar indicated. This is the one I was talking about earlier around Cortland. I said I seen a little bit of rotation.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
And right there, the greens and the red right there around Fowler Township. Again, that's what I said earlier, and I was correct. So there is a little bit of a rotation. Basically, it's a radar indicated. I do not have any
Attention, a new severe
traffic cams out there.
thunderstorm
Let me
warning
take a
has been
look.
issued.
It's been made.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
And you can see right there around Fowler Township, a little bit of a rotation right here. So let's go ahead and put that in play. Right there. And I believe that is the only one that we have right now. This is the first radar indicated tornado for today. If we take a look at, and there might be some debris out there. We do have some blues, pixels right there and around Fowler Township. So there's some rotation and maybe picking up some stuff. And the radar's picking that up. Let's take a look, see this around Cortland, Ohio.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
We do have some traffic cams. Let me
Attention,
figure out
a new
exactly where
severe
this is
thunderstorm
at.
warning has been issued.
Just east of Cleveland. And we do not have any live cams up in that area. No, we don't. So basically right there you see the difference in the pixelation around Fowler Township, and that could be a little bit of a debris signature or something being picked up in the air right there and around Nutwood. We will take a look at the velocity again. And again, right there, you see the red and the green. Right here would be a rotation. Yeah, got rid of my draw tool. Okay, draw tools off. Let's go ahead and put that in play. And it looked like Yankee Lake. I would go ahead and get in your safe place, Weldon. It does look like it is moving basically southeast, headed toward Sharpsville. Again, right now, this is radar indicated with quarter-size hail. But I do see a little bit of a rotation there, a little tight couplet. It appears is going towards Tyrell and Yankee Lake and Brookville. I believe you guys will be in the path of this radar indicated tornado. So go ahead and get in your safe spot. Again, like I said, I do see some rotation. And it looked like maybe some debris. Let's go ahead and put that in play. You'll be picking something up, but you can see how that blue pixels right there moved from Cortland through Fowler and on through. And if we look at the velocity and play that, yep. So go ahead and get your safe spot. If you're in Yankee Lake, Weldon, Brookville, Tyrell, take cover. We are still up to 1 tornado warning and 8 severe warnings. We do not have any storm chasers in that area as of right now. All our storm chasers are over here. Let's get to our reflectivity. And all our warnings are from Bloomington, Illinois to Lafayette in Indiana. And we do have one that is North Manchester, just west of Fort Wayne. And this one is packing some cloud to ground lightning. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. You're talking 66 dBz's, so there is some hail with this one. Again, quarter-size hail. Go ahead and put that in play. Lightning with all of this. Down here, again, we're talking 62 dBz's, 60, so probably some hail with this one. And we do have a storm chaser right there with this one near Williamsport. And let's take a look at that.
Yeah, I was happy that we've got the opportunity. Like, a couple months ago, we would have.
You see that wall cloud there?
Been so thrilled to be, to have an opportunity like this because it was so slow. Something went tornado warning. Way out there by freaking.
We got a new tornado warning.
God dang.
Let's take a look at that one.
Wow. Okay.
And it's probably extended from the one that we just seen.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Again, I see the hook.
Attention, a new
and I'm going to show it to you guys.
Warning has been issued.
Give me draw tool out here. I wouldn't be surprised if this one is not on the ground.
New information.
Right
this
in
severe
here
thunderstorm
is
warning
the
has been
hook
updated.
that I see if we get to the velocity, you still see the green and the red. This is the rotation. And let's see if we still have a debris signature right here around Yankee Lake and Weldon. So go ahead and, again, like I said, take cover and get into your safe spot. This is going to be headed towards Patagonia, Sharon in Pennsylvania, Sharpsville. Let's go ahead and put that in play. Yeah, and Hermitage in and it's a well-populated area. You can see right here. Confirmed tornado. It's basically, like I said, okay, that says radar indicated, observed. So I was correct, and you can see the pixels right there, guys. So if you're in Sharpsville, guys, in Sharon, Hermitage, take cover now. It's headed towards you. It is a confirmed observed tornado. Just like I said earlier, I've seen the rotation when it was just a special weather statement. And you can see right there the blue pixels, guys. And the dark blues, you can see that is debris that's in the air that went through Fowler Township, Hartford Township, and is headed towards Sharpsville. Let's go ahead and take a look at the velocity. And again, there is your couplet right there. The greens and the reds. The reds go away from the radar and the greens going towards the radar. And that is where the rotation is, headed toward Hermitage and Sharpsville. Go ahead and take cover. Like I said, this is the rotation. It was radar indicated, but I did see a debris field, so I was correct on that. You could basically see the hook echo is right there. And pistachios. So we're up to 8 severe warnings. We got 2 tornado warnings, which is this, going back to back. There is your, again, your hook echo right there. And there is your debris field going into Sharpsville right now. You can see the blues. And like I said, this is a very populated area. Bull Park, Walmart Supercenter. Guys, go ahead and take cover. If you're in Sharpsville, Hermitage, Buffalo Wild Wings, all you guys in there, go ahead and take cover. Gridiron Concession Stand. Let's see what we got. Where are you going? Walk?
Do you have your recording?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go follow up this Disney.
Again, if you're in Sharpsville or Hermitage, go ahead and take cover. Buffalo Wild Wings, Shenango Valley Cinemas, Hickory Corners, all you guys, go ahead, 5 points. Go ahead and take cover. There's still a little bit of rotation. It might be expanding a little bit. It was a little bit tighter earlier. in and around Fowler and Weldon. But go ahead and take cover. There's still rotation. It was an observed tornado. Now I would say there's a little bit around Sharpsville.
New information. This
Mount
severe
Horn.
thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Still a little bit of a rotation right there. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. We do not have any storm chasers out that way. And nothing in Ohio, which is surprising, except for around Akron. Let's go ahead and get to reflectivity real quick. So Akron, Kent, you're in a severe thunderstorm warning. And again, in severe thunderstorm warning around Cortland and Champion. And then we have that tornado warning, which this one here should expire. The one that just went through
New information.
Weldon
This
and
severe
Yankee Lake,
thunderstorm
that one
warning
should
has been
expire here
updated.
shortly. I believe this is now in Pennsylvania, in around Sharpsville, Hermitage, and it might be breaking up. Let's take a look at the velocity real quick. There's still a little bit of a rotation, but not as it was earlier. Again, this is now radar indicated. The one that we did
New
see was
information.
observed
This severe thunderstorm
and went
warning
into
has been
Pennsylvania.
updated.
Go ahead and take cover until that warning has expired. Surprised it wasn't warned a little earlier. But most of our severe thunderstorm warnings are in, we got 2 in Illinois, again around Bloomington. Let's take a look at the radar. Let's get to the reflectivity. Again, Bloomington, Leroy. If you get over here around Rantoul and Thomasboro, these just keeps firing up and around the same area. Willisport, but we do have, he is not live. Okay, we do have someone there, but he is not live. Williamsport in Indiana. And then, of course, Rossville, you are under a severe thunderstorm warning. And then we get up to here. Rome and Disco in Indiana, North Manchester area. You guys are under a severe thunderstorm warning. And up here, let's get to this radar. And we're looking at some hail with this one. Almost close to 70 dBCs. 68. Let's take a look at what the hail is on here. Quarter size hail, 60-mile-an-hour winds. And this will be moving into Ohio. This is from Indiana, northeast Indiana, Angola, going towards Montpelier and Bryan in Ohio. So we are up to 7 and 1 tornado warning, and that's what I got on screen. Nothing where all these storm chasers are at. I think they're all looking for a discrete supercell to pop one up. You really want a discrete supercell, and they're all right there with this particular storm. It is now special statement warned. This is where they're all at. Let's go ahead and take a look at Connor Croft.
Oh, dumbass woman.
Why is there a floating guy on my stream? Who is this? Can we get this floating guy out of here?
take a look.
What happened to Brady?
See what else we got? Storm Runner Media.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
I don't know what direction this thing is in.
It was a little closer.
I'm gonna check to make sure my 360 is still going.
Yeah, 58, 60 DBZ. So we've got another severe thunderstorm warning. This one's got some hail probably with it. Here we are. Again, Brian is expanded to Wauseon and Napoleon. This line coming through here, and it has got some lightning, and we are going to take a look at. We're talking 70 DBZs. You're talking some heavy hail. Now we're up to a $half size hail. So that's what we are looking at when I'm looking at DBZs. Anything 55 and above, probably going to have a little bit of hail with it. And we're talking 70. Right now, going into Indiana. This line of storms.
Attention, a new tornadic severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
And this is the one right here that we were looking at.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
This is our tornadic severe thunderstorm that we just looked at with the $half size hail. Like I said, the DBZs were up. Let me get off that. 60, 64. Looked like it went down a little bit. 69, close to 70 DBZs. So let's go ahead and take a look at the velocity. And we do have a little bit of rotation around Edgerton. Route 66 Pizza Barn. A little bit of rotation right there at Edgerton in Indiana. So keep an eye out right there. Let's see if we have any debris filled in that one. I don't see it. So this one is a tornadic severe thunderstorm warning that is going into basically the northwest corner of Indiana or Ohio. I'm sorry.
New information. This severe
Ohio.
Thunderstorm warning has been updated.
And this includes Pulaski, Stryker in Ohio, the northwest corner, Montpelier. And this is, like I said, what did I say, quarter size hail? Yeah, quarter size hail, $half size. $half size hail. We're going to take a look at this tornado warning, see if what is going on with this one. See if there is any, still a little bit of rotation near Sharpsville. See if we see any debris signature. It's really hard to tell around Bethel. Chinook. I would probably say this one will expire here shortly. I'm not seeing it. Not like I did earlier.
New information. This
So we're up
severe
to 8
thunderstorm
severe
warning has been updated.
warnings right now, and 1 tornado warning. I expect that tornado warning to expire here
New
shortly.
information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
If you guys can't hear me, it's because my mic's all the way down on the ground. Let me get it back up here.
Attention, a new tornadic severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
And this one here is probably in Fort Wayne. Let's go ahead and take a look. Tornado possible. Let's go ahead and take a look at the radar.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
I got hooked on these pistachios thanks to Rich Fullerton. He left a big bag over here. And got a message. Let's take that look at that. Nothing. From Chester. Oh, tornado warning. Now in new one in Indiana. We do have a couple people in that area. Let's go ahead and take a look. Radar indicated. Let's take a look at the velocity. This is a tornado. The one in Pennsylvania has expired, so we do have a new one. And you do see a little bit of a tight rotation right there. Wingate, go ahead and take cover at Elmdale. And I wouldn't be surprised if we have some debris fields right there. Wingate, Elmdale, go ahead and take cover. There is a little bit of a hook. It has not been observed or confirmed. You do have John McKinney that's close by.
Darling.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Vince is not in.
Attention, a new radar indicated tornado warning has been issued.
That's it. Wingate, Elmdale, Mellot in Indiana, just east of Covington. And I believe it is moving
Attention, a new severe
east,
thunderstorm warning
southeast.
has been issued.
Let's take a look at the velocity. And right there again, guys, this is what I'm looking at right here as far as the rotation. We're getting a little closer. So we're looking at Wingate, a very small town or community, but go ahead and take cover. Elmdale.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
It's like just a crossroads. Hillsboro area, Wingate. Cherry Grove, all you guys take cover. Garfield, you're in this. Darlington, New Richmond, and Linden. You guys are in this radar indicated tornado warning. I do see some rotation. I'm really not seeing too much of a debris field. Let's go ahead and put it in play. Reflectivity. So it's radar indicated rotation. Let's get off of that. So we are up to, looks like 10 severe thunderstorm warnings, and I've got to change that real quick. Let me get that real quick. What is severe? I changed the layout, so you gotta bear with me. Let me get it down there. And Alt Shift. Bring that out to here. There, so we are up to 10 and your severe warning and 1 tornado warning. And these are going to pop up all pretty much evening. 6 o'clock be your height of your tornadoes. So we're looking at the new one, Kokomo, Tipton, Elwood, Alexandria, and Noblesville. You got this severe thunderstorm warning. The one that just passed Delphi and Frankfurt. Let's take a look at the DBZs on this one. Like 62, 65. Again, we're looking at half-dollar size hail, 60-mile-an-hour winds.
Storm warning has been issued.
So might get a tornado out of it real soon.
Keep an eye to the sky.
Are you guys on YouTube?
Yeah, we are.
We are.
We're actually
live right now.
Are you the Ryan Hall?
No, we actually rate our Omega Max Velocity, if you know him. So
yeah, we're the PA Storm Tracker. That's our name. Yeah, go ahead. Absolutely. And hey, I'll just throw something at you.
So we'll take a look at this, get to the radar over here.
Okay, guys.
But I mean, this might look cool, at least. So elevated, it's not even funny, but.
It's Tornado Pagey. They're all on this storm right here. We got Connor Croft.
Out of the rain, anything on the.
There's a tanker coming to assist.
They must have had.
We just actually came across the brush fire out here chasing. We're heading that
what
way
that
now,
is.
Jen. But we're heading that way now, Jen.
So there's a brush fire. Let's go ahead and take a look at the tornado warning again. Just south of Lafayette in Indiana, just across the border from Danville.
Thunderstorm warning has been issued.
And we do have John McKinney right there, so let's take a watch. He is in that area where that tornado warning is at.
Off to the left, baby. Off to the left. I think I see a wall cloud. Let me 2x on that. I think I see a wall. Yeah, see a funnel, I think. think I see a funnel, maybe. Thought I saw a funnel coming off of that wall cloud right there. You guys look, I gotta keep my eyes glued on the road here, but
He's the only one that's on here. This is John McKinney.
I think that's the wall cloud just off to our left. For a second, I thought I saw a funnel.
It hasn't been confirmed. It's radar indicated. Let's go ahead and take a look at the velocity. Right there near Cherry Grove. And again, headed towards Garfield. You're talking 76 mile an hour winds.
It'll keep a better view of it. Let's see if I can get that
Yeah, you're talking
locked in.
73,
right
76 tops. Going one direction.
I think that is the feature that we are.
Let's see if we have any debris field.
Looking to
There might be.
find a different mount and go out the side window now because we're coming alongside. Let's see.
Still radar indicated core size hail. So we're gonna keep an eye on this one.
I think that's it out there. Gonna have some trees blocking it here now, but
He's a little bit further away. Now I just made a mess. Yep, I'm on my stats here. So this is the one we're looking at. I think it may expire. It's a tornado, possible severe thunderstorm. We're taking a look at the velocity. There's still a little bit of a heavy wind. Again, we're talking right near Cherry Grove, 73, 70 mile an hour winds. And it's picking up some dust or something. We are up to 13 severe thunderstorm warnings, and
I think that's
the one tornado warning that we've been watching.
That's right there. It did look like
This is expanding from Bloomington. Let me get back to this radar real quick.
rotation doesn't look as pronounced.
Yeah. We're going from Bloomington all the way through Urbana, Danville in Illinois, Williamsport in Indiana, Frankfort, Kokomo, Noblesville are all under severe thunderstorm warning.
that we are on.
And then just north of Marion, you got Bluffton, Decatur, and Huntington in Indiana. Then we head up north into Ohio, Bryan, Lothian, Napoleon, and Defiance. We got a couple. And all our tornado chasers are right here near Tiflin. I believe that's our Tiffin in Ohio. Let's get to that radar. And I have no idea what they're doing. Yeah.
The weather guys in the studio cover.
Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right there. Then we got a couple near Akron, Kent, Vanna, Cuyahoga Falls. All you guys are under severe thunderstorm warning. Meadville, we got that line coming through. A special weather statement. Let's go ahead and put that there. we're up to 14 severe thunderstorm warnings, and now to include Toledo, Ohio. And these will continue to go on, but Toledo, Ohio, let's go ahead and get to the radar. It's going to continue just north of there into Michigan. If we're looking at the DBZs on this one, we're looking up at 60. Quarter size hail there.
This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
And this would be going into Toledo, Ohio.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Again, we're talking 65. So this one, let's see, quarter size hail. Let's go ahead and put the velocity on this one. So there's a little bit of a rotation right there. Again, we'll see how this goes, but right here, or right there's your rotation. Whether it produces one or not, we'll see. We do not have anybody that's over there. Let's get to the reflectivity. Yeah. So that one's got some pretty good size hail. We're taking a look at this one right here near Danville. That tornado warning has expired. This one here is going to have some pretty good size hail. Considerable damage threat. This is 2-inch lime hail right now in and around Oakwood. Let's go see where this is going. It's going to be hitting really close to Danville. If you, oh yeah, we're talking some heavy 70 DBZs, 2-inch hail. Snyder, Johnsonville, if you guys are in that area, get inside. We're talking lime size hail with this one. Emergency manager. So we already had some wind threats. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. Power poles are damaged in just south of Rayville. We got some power pole damage, and we're looking at the 60-mile-an-hour winds. But this one is producing 60-mile-an-hour winds, and that's been reported.
Warning has been issued.
We do have a storm chaser close to Danville, so we'll take a look at that. But yeah, this one here was packing some, like I said, considerable damage threat, 60-mile-an-hour lime size hail. If you're around,
Attention, a new tornadic destructive severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Where this one's at.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Okay. $half size hail. Let's take a look at that one. Velocity. Radar indicated.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
I'm still looking at this one in Danville.
Attention, a new radar indicated tornado warning has been issued.
That's the same one we've been looking at. Let's go ahead and see if we can see that on velocity. And this one is really hard to see. See what radar he's at Indianapolis. Let's go to the Joliet radar. You see a little bit of rotation around Tipton. Let's see if I can find one more different radar. That one might be too far. You do see the greens and the reds, but it's so far away from the radar. John McKinney's not there.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Okay, this is Ryan Scholl, and he is near the one that has lime-sized hail.
Technically warned for half dollar sized hail right now.
So we're going to take a look at him for a second.
We're going to the next exit here and intercept this hail core. Hopefully.
So these guys are going to try to get that line-size hail. This is Ryan Scholl.
This is going to be...
So he's there. We do have one.
I thought the storms were going to be moving a little slower today, but I guess not.
See where this
They're moving at
guy's
almost
at.
unchaseable speeds. Even if you're chilling on an interstate. Just had some lightning. Yeah, if you're tuning in, we're going to go in for a hail core intercept of the supercell. It's a cold supercell. It's 53 degrees right here.
See just south of Tifton, a little bit of a dip there, a little bit of hook.
That's cold.
Check out the velocity. See if there is a degree signature. It's really hard to tell. This one is still radar indicated.
Yeah, this is not going to be a tornado producing supercell here.
But since this one here near Tipton, and I'll show you real quick, it's radar indicated, but this is the hook, and it's so far from the radar that it's hard to see the couplet. If we go ahead and change it, the velocity, erase that. You do see some of the greens and the reds, but this is it right here. The rotation, radar indicated. Let me go ahead and get him back on.
Like ping pong balls.
Turn it down. So we are up to 12 severe thunderstorm warnings, and this is the one that is, let's see, near Danville, Ryan Scholl.
It's probably a lot of smaller hail. If I had to guess, it's going to be a lot of smaller hail with this thing. We're going to go in. Got salt pellet hail in Danville now.
That's what I would do. We're gonna go north, go right in it.
These guys are going to head right into that. We're going to take a watch. Right now we are up to
It's what we live for.
9 storm chasers out. And I'm watching all of them, but I do not see.
Let's freaking do it, man. Probably east on 136 with it here. Gas prices.
What we're watching is Ryan Shoal near Danville, Illinois. And he's going to try to intercept a core hail.
Look at the core.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
But as of right now, we still got that tornado warning. And it's really hard to see. I don't have a
You can see it.
storm chaser out there.
I need a radar update. It is 52 degrees. I am freezing. I didn't pack warm clothes.
I wouldn't be surprised if this one expires here shortly. I just don't see it.
I should have packed warm clothes. Yeah, we're just a little hot.
Maybe a little bit around Tipton, but it's really hard to tell. I think it's going to expire. Let's see what we got.
That's the first time we've lagged in a long time.
Let's get back to Danville. This is where he's at. And basically to the northeast part of Danville. And if we look at the DBZs again, we're up to 66, 67. It was a lot higher, so he's going to try to get into that hail core. Again, this could be up to destructive, considerable threat, line size.
That one? Yeah, there is one right there.
We're up to 13 severe warnings and 1 tornado warning. Again, that one's still radar indicated. And it's moved over.
I think it's, again, it's storms. It's not.
I think it's continued, but
we're literally like out in the middle of nowhere right now. I don't expect it to be perfect. Like it snowed. Oh boy, I need to see this then. We need to freaking see this.
Wait till he gets there.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
We're up to 14 now. But we're watching this tornado warning.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Again, this is radar indicated just past Tipton, Hobbs, New Lancaster, Elwood, Frankton, Alexandria. Go ahead and get your safe spots. Just radar indicated tornado. This one is actually quite a ways from a radar. And I would say that the rotation is probably just east of Tipton and around Hobbs.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Again, I'm not seeing any debris signature, but again, this is kind of far from the radar, But if you're around Elwood, Frankton, Alexandria, Summitville, you guys go ahead and take cover. This is in Indiana.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Let's go ahead and listen to Ryan Show. He's trying to hit this hail core, and we get to it here shortly.
I need a place to turn around.
See which way this is going.
On par. It's like very much out of
He may get it.
New information. This severe thunderstorm.
Oh my gosh, that looks freaking nasty back there, dude. Yeah, we have a good place to stop like right here. Dude, this hail core looks freaking nasty. Insanely nasty.
And what we're looking at, guys, is near Danville, just past Danville, getting ready to go across the border into Indiana. What you just did. Head toward Covington, or just it's going to skirt Covington. We're talking lime-size hail.
You can see it, dude. You can freaking see how nasty this looks. Here it goes.
Go watch.
Oh, it's like a freaking whiteout out there, dude. With all that hail. Dude, it looks like a whiteout over there.
Just across the border from Indiana.
I think it's warned for
Or from Illinois, near Covington. This just past Danville, which is across the border right now.
Hail is your observed hail threat. Here you go. Here it comes.
We're going to watch him get pelted by hail.
Got small hail falling in the field.
That Ryan Shaw.
You really be able to see the hail in the field.
Oh, I see it now.
It really starts dropping. You get a nasty little freaking cord.
This storm here near that past Danville has produced the largest hail so far.
Look at that. Look at it freaking go on the field there, dude. We're not in a field, my goodness. Hail's still pretty small right now, chat. We're back up here real quick. Reposition a tiny bit.
The winds are picking up.
Yeah, and hail's not very big at all right now.
Let's see where he's at.
Here you go.
I think the biggest part of it is actually past him, from what I can tell. They're going through this hail core right now.
Oh yeah, there's some bigger hail. About quarters. Maybe a little more. Look at the wind.
Holy crap! This is nuts! Look at this!
Take a look at what else we got going on. Again, let's take a look.
Wow!
This thing is still producing some heavy hail.
My God, dude!
Ping pong ball size hail. And 1.5 inches right now.
Holy cannoli macaroni!
And that's what you're watching right now.
Let's get going eastward then if we can.
New information. This severe.
We're going to take a look at this tornado warning. We still just got this one. Let's take a look at it. See what we got.
Woo!
Still hard to tell.
What I'm talking about! I cannot freaking yell anymore. Yeah! Ah! There's no hail falling.
Go ahead and mute him. So he's in that hail core, right close to Covington in Indiana, just east of Danville, west of Covington. And it's probably going to be just a little bit north of Covington as far as the extreme hail. Be close to Covington, Allen, in Indiana. And this is him right now. This is Ryan Scholl.
Oh, there's some bigger stones here up on the road.
Thunderstorm warning has been issued.
There's some pretty decent
Let's go
stones
ahead
here.
and put him
Oh, there's some bigger stones here up on the road.
over here. Let's put this right up here in the corner and expand him out a little bit.
Not big enough to crack my windshield.
Okay, this is Ryan Scholl. He's near Roman Corner, Foster, just past Foster. Going to be north of Covington. Just going to produce ping pong size hail. We're up to 15 severe warnings and 1 tornado warning right now. Only one that was observed that you clearly see the location and the debris field. We do have some storm reports, a 1-inch hail in and around Bloomington. Go ahead and get off of him real quick. In and around Bloomington, snap power pole is a report right in actually normal, but we have reports of 1-inch hail so far. Right around Urbana, 1.7-inch hail. See us over here in Indiana. A large tree down on State Road. And we got 2 reports up here. Tree down. So we got trees down in Indiana near Logansport. Trees down. Several trees down in and around Logansport. Reports of 60-mile-an-hour winds. we do have a new tornado or warning, or is it moved over? Let's take a look at that. Radar indicated.
Attention, a new special marine warning has been issued.
Still hard to see a little bit of a rotation in that one. Let's go ahead and take a look at Bowling Green. That was hard, but you can see that cloud line. Let's see who else we got here.
Listen to that wind. Hold it in. Just hold it in.
Yeah, I know. 35 steady.
I hear the wind.
Okay, we're back down to 13 severe warnings and 1 tornado warning.
I'm gonna need
radar indicated.
This is over convecting up here big time, so we're gonna have to go south.
But you see the clouds moving. Look at that.
We'll be moving south here, guys, pretty soon. It's gonna blow.
Attention, a new tornadic considerable severe thunderstorm.
I think the photographs are much better down there as well. Yeah.
That's tornado pagey. This guy right here.
Hey, get out of this cold. This sucks. 51 degrees, burr. It was
He's going to be the path of this approaching storm.
Dude, it's the same crap again. It's freaking freezing cold north wind.
So you're talking temperatures for Chester. We're going to drop about 40,
north off the lake. That's crazy out
40 degrees.
It's straight out of the north and cold as can be.
But it ain't going to be like it did where it got really, really cold.
Still south of us.
Really?
Yeah.
We need to drop south more?
Yeah, go south a little bit.
Where? Like
down to that Arlington for now.
Okay, how do I get there?
You can go down this way.
Okay.
I have it still in anyhow. I have Arlington in. Or no, do I have Kenton in? I think I have Kenton in.
Severe thunderstorm.
Lightning's picking up though again. This is turning into an MCS. It's exactly what it's turning into. It's getting big and blobby and
yeah.
We're using an app on a phone called Zello. We are heading down to Arlington, Ohio.
It's gonna have me make a right up here.
Okay, guys. Again, we still got this one as tornado warned. We're going to check again. Let's check the velocity. I do see right there, right north of Alexandria. So now I do see the rotation. And it'd be right here. Let's go ahead and see what we got on.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
So I do see some rotation in around Alexandria, Gimco City, in Indiana. So if you're in that warned area, guys, go ahead and take cover. But this is the first time as far as this radar, because this is actually pretty far from. Well, did it just dissipate? It may have. They may have lifted that tornado warning. It's kind of far from the yep, we're back down. I still see a little bit of a rotation. Right there, but we'll see what happens. Now it's gone. So that's probably why it dissipated. We had to wait for that radar to swish. So now we are up to 14 severe warnings. Let's go ahead and take a look at the reflectivity. Look like Illinois might be done with it here in a little bit. We are going to take a look at north of here. Tree power lines down. So these are some of the reports that we got. Large tree down. We already checked Logansport.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been
You
issued.
get up here near Medina. Trees, power line down on Marks Road.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
Roof damage. Portions of the roof landed in a cornfield. 2-story residential structure, well built. So this is some packing some punch.
Attention, a new
So we take an overall look. What if I can get it to switch? We can go ahead and take a look at the national radar. And this is what we were looking at as far as all that rain that's coming through.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
So again, we did have some reports of close to 2 inches, 1.2, 1.7 inch hail. Golf ball size hail reported on State Road. And Train Spotter is that one. Let's see what else we got. $50 size near Warren, Indiana. And we get over here near
New
Danville.
information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Golf ball size hail again. This is that one that had destructive hail.
We'll go to Casey's. I am going to pull out of this, though. Just
From
in case
Danville.
It's going to get worse.
This one's still producing ping pong size hail, 60 mile an hour wind.
Yeah, we'll move over here. It's gonna get really bad here. Hang on. So
You can see the hail hitting his car. That's pretty big size
how
hail.
about that? That's a little better.
So hail damage and
Move over here and not wreck my car. It's fine. It's
wind
it's still
damage,
pea-size
and only
hail.
one
Like,
observed
we don't
tornado.
worry about pea-size hail. I saw a lot of comments that would be like, "Oh, you're gonna wreck your." Hey guys, it's pea-size hail. It's not gonna hurt nobody.
We'll be getting off here shortly because I think everything's going to be dying down as far as tornadic, and you know it still can happen. So keep your weather radio on. Well, now these guys are chasing
Oh, it's not even
hail,
hailing anymore.
getting in that hail core, and his camera's You can see the hail on the ground. Let's go and see if we got another guy that's close to there.
See, that's as big as it is right there.
Still good size.
There's your big hail.
I think these guys are the same gas
Remember
station.
that, guys. It always is going to sound worse than it is inside of a
This
car.
severe
so
thunderstorm
trust me.
warning has been updated.
We didn't really need to come in here.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
So we're getting tuned down, or just tuning in. So we got 10 severe warnings right now, and 3 special weather statements. I think that things are going to start dying down for tornadic. I didn't see a whole lot. We did have one confirmed tornado, or one observed, should I say. Another that right now we have severe thunderstorm warnings. We do have some tree damage in parts of Indiana and around Bloomington, to Danville with hail, damaging winds, snapped power poles, trees down, and then we had a few in Indiana and in Ohio, going all the way up to Warren. Warren, actually, in Ohio. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning in Warren, Pennsylvania. You can see that right there. Other than that, guys, I think that's all I've got for today. It didn't pan out. I didn't see the tornado parameters were really low. I mean, it was probably better earlier runs, but as the evening came, looked like it kind of petered out. This one here has got lime-sized hail. Just go ahead and check in with him.
I don't think the tornado threat's going to realize today. It's 50 degrees here.
If we
I kind of agree.
For a hot second, I think we'd be all right. And look, that rotation's got to be like right there.
We can
look at how low right over here.
Yeah, it still looks elevated to me. It looks as low as right with what
I'm thinking
in front of me.
Behind these trees over here. If it's going to do anything.
I don't think it is.
I think it's the problem. I think it keeps reaching. I don't think it's getting one circulation staying in one spot. I think it's kind of bumping down the line and reaching.
Yeah. I mean, we want to get after those other storms.
Guys, this is my new layout. If you've seen it,
if you want to do that, then we can. I mean, honestly, the first one.
It's a little bit easier to see how many warnings
it's going to be coming
there is.
Just north of Dayton and stuff now.
So
we'd have to fly to get down there.
If we stay on, I don't even know at this point if we can get on to the interstate.
No tornadoes, guys. No tornadoes right now. If there's rotation, but does not mean a tornado is going to happen. Nothing's gotten even close today. So, well, over in PA area there was one, I guess.
Go ahead and take a look at velocity.
There's no tornado. I don't think the threat's gonna realize here. I gotta get past this guy.
This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
We're down to 12 severe warnings.
Yeah, I'm just looking over there now, Dad. Look, it just looks so elevated. It does.
So if you're looking at the left part of my screen, the left corner, where it says 32 active alerts, that includes the
user, you're all good now. It's nice. It's
severe
raining,
warnings, tornado warnings,
it's all good now. You're safe. That's all that matters.
special weather statements, stuff like that. Whether it's marine warning, wind, fire, that's how many are active. But what I want, if you want to know how many severe thunderstorm warnings or tornado warnings, then you'll look at that. I'm below my picture. Still looking like 84 degrees out, 22 mile an hour winds.
Was it Tip City that we stayed
right here in Chester, Illinois.
We ate at the Texas Roadhouse or something right by the hotel. I think so.
We will take a look real quick. I'm going to go ahead and pop up Pivotal Weather.
I put the quickest way in there and say it's going to jump us on 30.
And we're going to take a look at maybe timing of rain when it would be coming here. Let me get to HRRR. Let's get to our area.
But we should get right under the tip end of it.
We're going to go ahead and take a look at our possible rain before I sign off real quick. And we'll get to the latest run. Let me get my Pivotal Weather on. And get to the latest run and the timing. Let's go ahead and put that right there. So we're talking maybe around 5 a.m. Looking like we will have some showers. Look like it's really going to skirt us. As of right now, 5 a.m. we may have some showers, and that's all I see as far as, and you can see right there, and then it's going to be gone. So the chances are real small. It's just really going to skirt us. And we're right. Let me get that off here. Let's go to red. And we're right here. And so this is 4 a.m. This is 5. That's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're looking at about 5 a.m. Have a little bit of showers, and after that, and this is the latest run. I believe the 22Z. We do have a 23Z. Let's see how that's not complete yet. So this is 22Z. Erase that. We're looking at, what did I say? 4 or 5 a.m. for Chester, Illinois. As of right now, I don't think I can get any more local. That's it. So a little bit of rain, 5 o'clock in the morning, and I will talk to you guys later, and we'll take a look at severe weather that comes up. Let me get off my draw tool real quick. Got the dog barking. We'll take a real quick look at the categorical outlook. For the next few days. Let's get to SPC Outlook. So day 2 tomorrow, this is what looking like. We're going to be on the very edge of any type of precipitation. As far as tornadoes, nothing. Hail, nothing. 4 day, looks like nothing. So we get to the 3-day categorical, probabilistic. We're looking pretty good. 4 day. So looking pretty good as far as anything that's going on. We're up to 13 severe, or actually we're back down to 10. So today was the only day as far as the weather, and I think it's going to die down. That's your hail, wind. Basically, that's today's outlook. But tomorrow, maybe some rain off to, I would say, really close to Chesapeake. I think we're going to miss maybe 5 a.m., a little bit of showers, and that is it. All right. You guys have a good evening, and thanks for watching.